Hello everyone, I'm going to show you really quick where to install the Euro Performance dipstick. I know this is trivial to most, but if you've never actually put a dipstick in it, you might actually not know where it goes. So this one is custom designed specifically for Audi's older generation 4.0 twin turbo motors. So the dipstick and this video is applicable only to the models shown here. So with the hood open, you're going to look right in front of the coolant reservoir and right across from the high pressure fuel pump. Right about down there you can see the dipstick tube, and it has a plug in it, so we will need to take out the plug. And because it is very tight in here and you can't really put your hand down there, we're going to need long pliers. So we're going to reach in there with pliers, and the plug is just pressed in just like a dipstick, so it should just pull out. There you go, that's what the plug looks like. And then we're just going to take the dipstick and insert it into the tube. And there we go, dipstick installed.